PancakeSwap Crypto Swap Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to PancakeSwap can be found in the description below. In this video, we'll review PancakeSwap, one of the leading decentralized exchange DEX platforms built on Binance Smart Chain (BSC). Known for its low transaction fees and fast swaps, PancakeSwap is an automated market maker (AMM) that allows users to easily trade, swap, and provide liquidity for BP20 tokens on BSC. PancakeSwap is made for crypto traders, DeFi enthusiasts, and anyone looking to access the growing BSC ecosystem with minimal fees. Unlike traditional centralized exchanges, PancakeSwap does not rely on an order book, but instead uses liquidity pools to execute trades. Users can earn trading fees by providing liquidity to these pools, allowing them to passively generate income. In addition to swaps, PancakeSwap also features yield farming, staking, and lottery options, giving users multiple ways to participate and earn rewards. One of the key benefits of PancakeSwap is its low gas fees, which is a huge advantage over Ethereum-based DEXs, especially during periods of network congestion. Because it operates on BSC, which is known for its scalability and low transaction costs, users can perform trades and provide liquidity with minimal fees. PancakeSwap also supports PancakeSwap's native token, Cake, which can be staked for rewards, and holders can vote on platform governance decisions, further increasing its utility. Another feature worth mentioning is its NFT marketplace, which allows users to mint, buy, and sell NFTs directly on the platform, expanding its use beyond just token swaps and liquidity provision. However, as with all DEXs, there are risks involved, especially when it comes to impermanent loss for liquidity providers. So it's important to be aware of these risks before jumping in. In conclusion, PancakeSwap is a powerful DEX for low-fee swapping, yield farming, and DeFi participation. Its solid BSC integration, high liquidity, and diverse earning opportunities make it an appealing platform for both beginners and experienced crypto users. For more details, check out the links in the description.